Alright guys, we're gonna try and get the fiero back together today. Gonna put the heads on, and then heads, intake, put all the what the fuck are they? Push rods back in, put the rockers on, get the lower intake on, just pretty much get everything on, and then hopefully the timing chain should show up. It's about 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. right now, or a.m. I mean. So yeah, it's an early one for me. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is pretty much do all that, and then hopefully timing chain shows up around 2, and then we'll throw all the timing crap on. Oh yeah, and then once we get the heads on, I have to lift the engine up, and then I gotta disconnect the motor mount over here, and then I gotta drop the oil pan, because I want to drop the oil pan so I can clean it out because of the plastic junk that's on the dampener. It was probably down in their oil pan, so I don't really want that in there. Plus we can kind of look in there, see if there's any like metal shavings or anything bad. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's all good, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, so at least in that aspect. Otherwise it's a full send, so. But yeah, let's get the fucking work. Well, I got the heads on. They're not torqued down yet. But it's time to go eat some foods. The wife made some cordon bleus for breakfast, so I'll be right back. We'll get these things back together. It's going together. So I'm downloading the content off of the GoPro that was sitting up there for a while, as you've seen. And I got the new timing chain. We just got it on there. That fucking sucked. This one's a lot tighter than the other one was. And then the tensioner also. But right now, Paul's looking for some Loctite so I can put it on the camshaft bolt. And then we'll get the camshaft on. And or get the camshaft bolt on there, get it torqued to like 105 foot-pounds. Pretty sure that's what it is. I'll have to double check. But yeah, this new chain is significantly beefier. Like, here's the other chain. Right here. Let's see if I can, like, figure out how to... But yeah, if you can see there, this is like the good chain, but it's the newer one, like the 2000s. This is the 99 of the good chain. So, yeah. Definitely glad I went with this method. Thanks, Ben. And then the 3900 tensioner should be for a nice touch as well. So, but all right, let's keep going here. I'm gonna probably go check some GoPros there, so maybe we can have some more GoPro footage. All right, guys. It's time to pull the pin, and that's it. That was pretty anticlimactic. So now there is tension, and I can do 5,000 horsepower
all day.
True story.
Reliably.
Clearly reliable.
Look at that tension.
All right, and then we should probably spin it, make sure it's still in time. Should still be. This is a really fucking fancy pin.
Yeah, it is. That's where all your money went right there.
You could fucking put it in your hand and walk up, slap somebody in the face. Alright. Too far. But alright. Yeah. I haven't got the GoPro yet, obviously. So, maybe I'll go get it now. Alright guys, kind of a huge jump cut here because last time I think I did an update, just got the timing chain on, so it's back together on the ground. First start, I'm going to die of a heart attack. Hopefully, nothing got forgot. So let's hope she runs. It's only going to run for a little bit because I don't have the tablet hooked up, so pretty much just going to listen and look, taste, and so far. Ready? Yep. Here we go. Just kidding! I took out the fuse out of the starter when I was wiring, so good start. Great, yep, full, yeah, got good. I remembered. That'd have been a damn shame. What? That'd be a damn shame if I came across the week. Take the whole motor apart because we thought you forgot something. Jesus, you gotta take the car apart to get the fuse block? I know. I really thought this out. What kind of engineering is this? I should put an access panel right here. Put like wing nuts there? Yeah. Should have made that flip out. Look at this freaking engineering over here. I guess it really doesn't matter because I gotta take it off anyhow to fire up the indicator like again. Yeah. So I guess we call it a win. I wouldn't. I meant to do this. Got you, fooled you. Got you feel like an idiot. I can put like probably do either like an access panel in there or put like a piece of plexiglass over it, or like put like wing nuts. I don't know, 4 corners, you know, put a piece of plexiglass over it. Yeah, over a hole. Could be neat. Very good. Round 2. Continue.
trying, but probably because it's.
Yeah, I need to tune it for the air, because the cam's definitely going to change all that. Oh yeah, that's going to be cooking off all the crap. All right, guys, that's it. It runs. It really took a fucking long time to start, though.
Good.
Probably just, I don't even know why. It's weird.
Tune for the start too.
Probably should. I mean, there's only fucking 4 miles on it. I got to break in the fucking pistons still, or the piston rings. So, all right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.